In this video, we're going to be showing you how to sync up your Arvig email to Microsoft Outlook. The first thing we're going to do is double click on the Outlook icon to open it, and once it opens you're going to get the same prompt that I have here. So we'll go ahead and enter our email address. Once we have that, we'll go down to Advanced Options and check Let me set up my account manually and hit Connect. Then once prompted to, we're going to choose account type POP. And once we get to this page, most of the information in here will be correct. We just have to change a little bit in the server here. We're going to change it from pop3.arvig.net to webmail.arvig.net. Leave the server port as 995 and leave the server requires an encrypted connection checked. Then we'll go down to the outgoing mail and do the same thing. We're going to change it from smtp@arvig.net to webmail.arvig.net. Port 465 will stay the same. Encrypted method will be SSL/TLS, and then we can go ahead and hit Next. And then when prompted to, we will enter our password and hit Connect. Alright, and once the account setup is complete, we will uncheck Setup Outlook Mobile on my phone too and hit OK. And once we have emails coming in, we know our account is set up correctly.
For more information, call, click, or visit Arvig.